Okay, my friends, if you took a look at the picture of the llamas with the people standing next to them, you can get an idea of some of the textiles, the fabrics that these people wear. So you can see that they all have different patterns on them. So let's talk a little bit about patterns. We know that in art we use 5 different kinds of patterns. The first kind of pattern that we usually use is a line pattern. So we've talked about that quite a bit. We talked about it with our fish. We've got our wavy line, our zigzag line, dash line, loop-de-loos. We've got all different kinds of lines, dotted lines. We can mix and match. We have castle lines. So we can use something like that in the background on our llama. We have a shape pattern. So it could be circle, square, circle, square. It could be a triangle, square, or triangle, rectangle, your choice. Or we can get fancy with like spiral, smiley, ice cream cone, sunshine, ice cream cone, sunshine. You can use hearts, stars, any shape that you can think of can become a pattern if we just repeat it. We can use letter patterns like A, B, A, B, ABC, ABC. I like these because these letters sort of play off each other's shape. Like the A and the V are almost the same shape with that triangle shape embedded in the letter. And the Z and the N are almost the same. It's like a sideways. You take the Z, turn it sideways, and it becomes an N. You could do letters from your name. My name is Nikki, so I used the N, and my last name is Stone, so I used an S, N-S, N-S, N-S. I made that my pattern. I chose O-I, O-I, O-I. It almost looks like 0101, so it could be either, because we also have our number patterns. So we could do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or if you really like a number, I think the number 8 looks cool. So you can see I did 808080. Or you can just do the letter 8 on repeat, 88888888. And you can see how it almost becomes a picture when we put them close together and right next to each other. The last kind of pattern that we have after line, shape, letter, number is color. So this kind of pattern, doesn't matter what shape it is, it's a repeating of the colors. So orange, blue, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink ice cream, yellow sunshine, yellow smiley, pink ice cream, yellow smiley, pink ice cream, yellow smiley, green circle, red circle, green circle, red circle, green circle, red circle, green, red. Okay, so we're looking at the colors themselves. So as you can see with the color pattern, we can combine that with something like the shape pattern. And then we have 2 patterns in one. So we are going to go ahead and add some patterns to our llama today. So we're just going to add some rows right across our llama. And we're going to use crayon for this. I'm going to get my crayons. And I want to see probably 10 different patterns across. So I'm just going to take some and I'm going to go straight across. Maybe I'll do a loop-de-loo and pretend like that ear, like we're going right behind the ear. And then I'm going to grab a different color and I'm going to come in and do a different pattern. Maybe this time I will do hearts. So if you can draw a heart like that, or maybe you draw a heart like this with the V shape, and then we put those 2 little ice cream scoops on top. Okay, it doesn't matter how you draw them. And I could put a little circle in between them if I want. Circle, heart, circle, heart. You want to draw them this way, you're just going to start here, put 2 dots for your heart, and you're going to go up and out, down, up and we'll put another one. And then I might even want to color in part of that, like maybe I'll color in these dots. Okay, so that's my second pattern. Got 2 out of 10 done. Next I'm going to do maybe a line pattern again. I'm going to come right through. We wouldn't see that because it hits the head. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3. And I'm going to pick another color. I'm going to go in and do another pattern. Maybe this time I will do a wavy line. Oops, my crayon broke. Luckily, broken crayons still color. There's 4. Come in with my next one. Maybe I'll do like a spiral line. 5. My next one will maybe be like a dashed line. 6. And then I'm going to do a yellow. Maybe this one will be sunshines. I'm going to color them in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 more to go. Orange. Maybe this one will be my castle line. 8. Two more left. I could do a zigzag line. Now I'm going to finish big. I'm going to finish with a color and a shape pattern. So I'm going to do square here. Notice that I'm leaving a little space in between because I'm going to add one more shape in there in between. But I am also going to do a color pattern. So I want to add another color. Maybe I'll add red. Oh, I didn't use that pink. I'm going to go with pink. And maybe I will put a star here. You could put a moon, you could put a sun, you could put a heart, sun, ice cream cone, tacos. Okay, so now I have my 10 patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 patterns. Notice that they are big, right? Each one of these is at least as big as my thumb. They're nice and big. Let me come down here. So they're nice big patterns that go all the way across our page. I didn't draw on top of my llama's head. I made it look like it went right behind my llama's head. And then I did each one in a different pattern and a different color. So you should have 10 patterns going all the way down the back of your page. All right, on Wednesday we're going to talk about watercolor and finish these up. We're going to go all the way around the background and finish these up by painting the background. So that's why we made sure that we had that gray or brown all the way around our llama, so that it stays white. And we will paint some rows to make this look a little bit more like fabric on Wednesday. So see you then. Can't wait to see your patterns. Bye.